You're waiting for Tita Christine. Talaga naman. Tita Christine, kawawa. She's tired.
Here.
Talaga! What's that? What's that? You order, ha? You don't have money. Nag-order sila. At si Ate Christina nag-order. Umuwi pa siya para kunin, ano yan? Ano yan? What's that? It's for mommy, I think.
Mommy?
Diyos ko. Look at mo, Tita Christine. Very, very sweaty. She ride bike going home. Umuwi pa siya para kunin yan kasi na-deliver na daw. So, sobrang excited. Sino excited? Si Ate Christine o si Jace? Kakatapos niya, umuwi siya. Oh. Kawawa, Tita Christine. Very hot outside. Talagang kayong dalawa. Nakahiga ako dito. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Bigla nagpaalam si Ate Christine na uuwi siya. Akala ko nung nangyari, akala mo may emergency, kagad nakaalis siya. Ayun pala, dumating yung order nila na kite. Na sila lang yung nakakaalam na nag-order sila ng ganyan. What will you say to Ate Christine? What will you say?
I don't know how to build.
Ano-ano mga nadidiscover nilang gusto nilang gawin? Tignan mo yung pawis. Kulwari, alam niyang gawin. I think the kite is for mommy. It's for mommy, di ba?
For mommy? Ay, for mommy.
That's for mommy. Who bought that one? Dito talagang tandem pa kayong dalawa, ha?
No more na.
Babay na the kite.
Oh no, mamay na.
Later kayo kite. Talagang hindi kayo nga doon. Ang init-init. Talagang tong dalawang to. Later. Hoy.
Hold mo, hold. Here, hold.
Huwag mo. Hindi.
Run there, to daddy.
Run here.
Daddy, to daddy.
Run, run. Whee! Run fast, run fast. Busy sila mangangamoy pawis sila niyan. Para hindi sila mangamoy pawis, papagamit ko itong Gentle ng Jace Marine Cologne para amoy baby yung pawis nila. Amoy baby kasi ito at powdery lang siya. Oo, you use Gentle first.
Oh, Elsa also, oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah. So you feel fresh. Oh, you smell good. Oh, give it to me. All done. Oh, you smell good. Walang susuko hanggat hindi napapalipad.